I was sent this really cool excavator by the company that mimics the real size excavator, just 64 times smaller. Now, it's good for adults and kids. It has easy to follow instructions. Everything is already put together, so you can start playing the way it is. Although there is also an app you can upload on your phone, that way you will have way more fun. The remote also comes with a charger. So I'm gonna try it out. Although my daughter, she already claimed the ownership of it, so I don't have much time to show it to you. Now this is the power button for the excavator, and it also makes sounds that I muted in this video. Now it's very easy to, like I said, to do it even without the app, but with app you will have more fun. What I like about it a lot is that also you can play in the dark as well as during the day, because it's so bright. Both the toy and the remote control has a light, so it's real fun.